In this short video, we will share some tips and information and try to cover the topic of how to create a minimalist Japanese-inspired interior design in your space. The minimalist aesthetic of Japanese design focuses on simplicity, functionality, and natural materials. To achieve this look in your space, consider these tips. Use a neutral color palette. Japanese design typically uses a neutral color palette of white, beige, and gray, with occasional black or wood tones. Add natural materials. Japanese design often incorporates natural materials such as wood, bamboo, and paper. This can be achieved by using wooden furniture, bamboo blinds, or shoji screens made of paper. Keep the space free of clutter. Japanese design is all about minimalism, so it's important to keep the space free of clutter by minimizing the number of items and keeping them out of sight. Use low furniture. In traditional Japanese homes, furniture is often low to the ground and sits directly on the floor. This can be achieved by using floor cushions or low-to-the-ground platform beds. Incorporate elements of nature. Japanese design often incorporates elements of nature such as plants, rocks, and water features. This can be achieved by using a small zen garden, a rock garden, or a simple bouquet of flowers. Use sliding doors. Japanese design often includes sliding doors, such as shoji screens, that can be opened to create a sense of flow and connection between indoors and outdoors. Use geometric patterns. Japanese design often incorporates geometric patterns, such as circles and squares, which can be achieved through the use of textiles, patterns, or artwork. By following these tips, you can create a minimalist Japanese-inspired interior design that's both functional and beautiful. If you enjoy watching this video, then please like and subscribe so that you can get such informative videos timely.